apparently holding my tablet and opening it at the same time is not gonna work, so I'll try to figure out something. For this pack, I got Barrel Dragon. I got Archfiend of Guilford. I'll put that in the duplicate pile. I have Flute of Summoning Dragon. I have Time Wizard, which I already own from the Joey starter deck. And I have Mystic Stone Excavation. Look at all those packs over there that are opened. I'll hold it like this, maybe I won't. Okay. Alright, let's see. Alright. Okay. For this pack, I have Embodiment of a Pulpus, one of Odeon's cards. Ooh, and this is the remake of the Dark Magician Girl. Okay, I'll put that with the Yugi pile since that's not a duplicate. Curse of Masked Beast, and Blackluster Ritual, and Lord D's. Holy cow, there are going to be a lot of duplicates. Oh well. Here's another pack. I see a Joey card. Okay. So for this one, I have Genzo, I have Multiple Destruction, I have Guilford the Iron Knight, Enemy Controller, and Mystic Catapults. Alright. Let's get another pack. Jesus. Okay. I have Foolish Burial, Guilford the Iron Knight, Time Wizard, Elegant Egotist, Toon Dark Magician Girl. I'm just grabbing packs and trying not to have this thing turn off on me again. Slipped out of my hand. Here. Alright. Sorry about that. I have Lava Golem. I have Drag Her Down into Grave, okay. Harpy Lady Sisters, Elegant Egotist, and another King's Knight. Cool. I may have enough sets to make 2 sets of knights for Yugi. I don't know yet. No, I don't want to bend this. Okay, so for this pack, I have another Lava Golem. I have Drag Her Down into Grave, Time Wizard, Legendary Fisherman, Time Wizard again. Okay. Okay, I can see Crush card in this pack. Come on. Jeez, this thing is... Okay, we'll do it this way. Crush card. Come on. Blast Sphere. So I got Crush card, Blast Sphere, Stone Excursion, I think. I have Queen's Knight, again. And I have the Archfiend of Guildford.